Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel analytics. He has uploaded 270 videos. He now has 591k subscribers with a total view of 144,494,906 views. He's from US, and his channel type is autos. He created his channel since March 28, 2019. The grade he got is B+, and his social blade ranking is at 15,266th. The subscriber ranking is 45,601st, and then video view rank is 41,840th. He ranked at 9,992nd in US and 478th in autos. Next, the daily subs for Matt is around 734 with a daily view of 375,316. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 375,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $1,500. Then, monthly income will be $45,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $24,750 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $297,000. That is how much Matt's Off-Road Recovery earns from YouTube.